Hello, curious learners! Today we're going to learn how to ask questions using 3 magic words: am, is, and are. Questions help us find out all sorts of cool information. And guess what? We can make questions by doing a special flip trick. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! Here's the secret to making questions with am, is, and are. Just flip the order. Verb. First, a sentence that tells you something becomes a sentence that asks something. Let's start with am. The statement I am late becomes a question. When we flip it, am I late? See, I am right flips to am I right? And I am next becomes am I next? Now let's try it with is. The statement she is happy flips to become the question is she happy? She is ready becomes is he ready? And it is cold becomes is it cold? And what about are? Same trick. You are tired flips to are you tired? They are home becomes are they home? And we are late becomes are we late? Do you see the pattern? Just flip that verb to the very front of the sentence. Making questions is just like following a recipe. Here's the formula. You start with ams, or are. Then you add the person or thing you're talking about. Then you add the rest of the sentence. And don't forget the most important part at the end, a question mark. Let's build some questions together. The statement is, she is a teacher. To make it a question, we flip it. Is she a teacher? Awesome. How about this one? They are at school. Let's flip it. Are they at school? Perfect. Let's try one with am. I am your friend. What's the question? Am I your friend? You got it. One more. The dog is hungry. The question is the dog hungry? You are getting so good at this. Now, when someone asks you a question with am, is, or are, you can answer with a simple yes or no. So, for a question like, am I late? You can say, yes, you are, or no, you aren't. If someone asks, is she happy? You can answer, yes, she is, or no, she isn't. What if they ask, are you ready? You can say, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Fun fact, notice how the answer often uses the same verb from the question. It's a little hint to help you answer correctly. We can make our questions even more interesting by adding question words to the beginning. Words like where, what, who, how, and why. These words help us ask for specific information. For example, where is the cat? Or where are my shoes? Or, you could ask, what is your name? And what are those? To ask about people, you can say, who is that person? Or who are your friends? It's super easy. Just put the question word right before am, is, or are. Let's practice. I'll give you a statement, and you turn it into a question. Ready? The statement is, she is your sister. The question is she your sister? Correct? Next one. They are in the garden. What's the question? Are they in the garden? You're a pro. How about, I am too loud? B. The question is, am I too loud? Fantastic. Last one. The cake is ready. And the question is the cake ready? Great job. Now, watch out for these tricky mistakes. Sometimes people forget to flip the words and say, you are happy. The right way is, are you happy? Also, make sure to use the right verb. Don't say, is you ready? The correct verb for you is are, so we say, are you ready? Too. The same goes for I, he, she, and it. Just remember, I goes with am, he, she, and it go with is, and you, we, and they go with are. Let's quickly remember the magic formula. To make a question, just flip the verb to the front. Add a question mark at the end. And if you want, you can add a question word like where, what, or who at the very beginning. Fantastic work, question masters! Now you can ask questions and answer them. Are you ready to use your new skills? I bet you are. Keep questioning and learning. See you next time.